Welcome back to the channel. This is our free newsletter course where we're showing you how you can set up a newsletter in the best way possible in order to try and get you to be profitable as soon as possible. I'm here inside of Beehive. We're talking for the next few videos about Beehive and how you can monetize your newsletter using paid methods. Paid's always going to be quicker than relying on organic. We covered organic in the previous 4 or 5 videos. As I said, now we're going to focus on paid methods. This video and the video that follows are going to be how you can use the features within Beehive in order to be able to get more exposure to your newsletter, and then we'll start talking about methods outside of Beehive. So the reason this is paid is you're not necessarily going to be spending money inside the Beehive platform. I'm here on the dashboard of our test account that we're building this newsletter on, which is the Work-Life Ethos. But what you are going to need is you're going to need access to scale. Now, normally if you join with Beehive, you'll get put onto the launch. But recently they have been putting people onto scale for the first 14 days for that trial that you get. So definitely register with them, check them out, and then if you want to check out their scale options, then you could always email them. Or as I said, at the moment they have been putting some people onto scale. You get your 14-day trial, no credit card required. You can just click on that, get access to scale for 14 days, and you can test it out. But as I said, what I want to do in this video is I want to talk you through a few of the features you get within this scale plan. There is one that I want to talk about, which is Boost, but Boost is slightly more complicated, which is why I'm going to save it for a second video. So you signed up to Beehive, you're either a paying member of Scale or you're on the 14-day trial. This is what your dashboard looks like. We're going to go over to the Grow tab. Click on here, and the first one I'm going to talk through is the referral program. Now, the referral program is as it sounds, and as you can see, we don't have any data here because we haven't set this up, but you're basically setting up a referral program for your subscribers. So this is the more your subscribers refer you out to other people, they will get certain rewards or incentives. Now, these can be rewards and incentives that are digital downloads that you make with ChatGPT, similar to the lead magnet I showed you in the previous video. That would be absolutely fine to do that. Or it could be a physical product, so it might be something that you purchase. So it might be things like stickers or merch. If you're going down the B2C route, it could be a shout out on your social media. And as the number of referrals go up, then you can change the prizes that people get. So these are known as milestones. So maybe for the first referral, somebody might get a digital download. Then after 10, 20 referrals, they might get something like an ebook. Then they might get, 100 referrals. They might get some time with you, maybe something one-on-one. They might get bigger freebies, like starting off with stickers, then baseball caps, then shirts. It really depends on your niche. But everything is recorded in here, and they also validate the emails for you as well, so you can see how many of the emails are actually legit. So you go into fulfillment here, you'll be able to see the subscriber, the reward that they've got, the referrals and the status, and you're able to then be able to see who gets set what. Again, if it's digital, it's a little bit easier, whereas if you need to start sending out stickers, hats, t-shirts, then this is where you would be able to track it. And as you can see here, you can configure everything in the back end. You can add your milestones and how many referrals it needs, set up the rewards, and export the data if you need to. So although that doesn't have to necessarily cost you any money to set up the referral program, because I said all of your milestone rewards could be completely free, you are going to have to pay and access Scale. So that's going to be $84 a month. What you'll also get is you'll get recommendations. And recommendations is where you can, as it says here, recommend other publications, which is a great way to establish yourself as an expert. But then what will happen as you start to recommend people, they will recommend you. So if you're creating good content and you're putting out regular content and you look like a professional newsletter, then people will start to recommend you. So the way this process works is you start off and you just hit add recommendations. You get some that you can see recommended straight away, but we can go up to this search bar up here. So for example, for my newsletter that I'm building here, the Work-Life Ethos, we're focusing on business managers helping their employees with their employee well-being. So for example, I might want to recommend a newsletter that has something to do with yoga, so I could click on this one here. Then I just need my reasons for recommending, and then I can add that as a recommendation, and then that will be included in my newsletter. And then as I do that, we can see that some publications can start to recommend you as well. So you can see these publications recommended you to their audience. If you like their content, you can recommend them back. So it's a really good way of finding newsletters that are a decent size. Get out your first sort of 10, 15 newsletters, get some good content out there, provide some value, and then start recommending other publications. And then if they like you and they think that they're valuable to your audience, then they will start recommending you back, and then you get shown to their audience. As I said, there's no additional cost for that, but you do need to pay the $84. The next one, which is quite a cool feature, is Magic Link. Now, before I tell you about this only works on email. Yes, you can put links on social media, but that does not work with Magic Links. So what you can do is you can create one-click subscribe links. And then, as you can see, any publisher that uses Beehive can drop this link into their newsletter for easy one-click signups. No need for tracking. Beehive will do that for you. So you can create a link, you can send it through to somebody on the Beehive platform. So maybe somebody who you have connected with over, in another has a Beehive newsletter, but you haven't necessarily connected through them through the recommendation setting. You found them some other way. And then you can give them this magic link, they can give you a magic link, and then you can get subscribers that way. You can also see that if you want to connect with a newsletter that is on a completely different platform, you can create a magic link for any one of these as well. So if you find somebody in a similar niche, maybe you've been on each other's podcasts or something like that, and you want to just be able to cross-promote your newsletters, but they're on MailerLite, you just click that. You create the link, and then they can share that link in their newsletter. You can share a link to their newsletter with your audience, and then you've got that ability to share and grow your audiences together. So that's another option. But as I said, it only works within email platforms, and it's all because this link is special and able to be able to pick out the email address of the user's email. And that's how it then adds the email address onto your newsletter. That's how Beehive have made it so you don't have to do anything else. It will just be able to come over into your newsletter list. What we've got then is we have got boosts. So boosts I'm going to talk about, as I said, in the next video, because it's a little bit more complicated. But if I come down to this monetization tab, we've got ads here. Now, ads is something that you can get access to once your newsletter is established. So you can see here, if you've got a lack of data, it says we need a baseline of campaign and audience data in order to accurately distribute ads to proper newsletters. So we're going to be talking about running ads for your newsletter in a couple of videos time. But they have a platform within Beehive that will do all of that for you. So it will look at your audience data and who is interested in your content. It will then find an ad campaign that matches your newsletter, and what will happen is a pending opportunity will appear here, and it's very clever what they do. They'll give you an estimated payout, so you can kind of get an idea of how much money you're going to make. You can then add your, sort of accept the ad, and then it will turn up in the editor, and I've shown you the editor in previous videos, but then you can add it straight from the editor. So if I was, for example, writing a new article and I wanted to put that ad in there, you can see this little plus button here. This is where you can put all of the different parts of your newsletter. The ad option would be down here. You would click on it and you could add that ad into your newsletter. And what would happen then is it would go out, and then depending on how well the ad performed, you would be able to earn from that ad. So again, you need to have access to the full Beehive in order to be able to do that. But ads is a really nice feature. You just got to be running for a while. You've also got subscriptions in here that I'll quickly mention. This is a way for you to earn money if you have part of your newsletter which requires a subscription. And you've also got the partner program as well, which is worth looking at. So if you're working with businesses that would benefit from being on Beehive, then you can earn from their partner program as well. So that's all the features that I wanted to go through today. As I said, we're going to mention Boost, and I'll talk through how that works in the next video. And then the video after that, we'll talk about how you can use other paid methods in order to be able to grow your newsletter. We'll see you in the next one.